Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. I'm so glad you joined me all week long. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at the date. It is May, and look at all of our beautiful flowers. I'm going to go ahead and slide the 22nd over because it is the 22nd day of May. Tomorrow will be the 23rd. Sunday will be the 24th. And Monday, we have no school. It's Memorial Day weekend. It is the 25th. And then we'll be back here with Mrs. Hill on Tuesday. So let's sing our Days of the Week song because we love it so much. Here we go. Days of the Week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Here we go. Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Let me hear ya. Great job. All right. So it is Friday, May 22nd, 2020. What flower is going to go right here? What do you think? Without me having to read through it, what flower is going to go here? If you said blue, you were absolutely correct. And then we have pink. Sunday will be blue. Monday, Memorial Day, will be pink. And then we'll be back with Mrs. Hill on Tuesday. All of our flowers. All right. We predicted sunny weather. No, it is not sunny out there, unfortunately. It is rainy, and my garden is liking it, though. So we'll take some rain today. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. All right, I heard partly sunny. Let's go ahead and put that there. Hear my clock dinging. All right, let's take a look at the alphabet. All right, let's say it together. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, while we count to 15, let's put our hands on our hips. And we're going to twist our body. Twist one way for one, twist the other way for two. Oh, that feels so good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep twisting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whew. All right, let's count backwards from 10. Are you ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. All right, let's take a look. How about some shapes? Let's find one that is yellow. What shape is yellow? There it is. What is that? It is a star. How about a shape that is green? It is the oval. How about a shape that is purple? There it is. It is the square. Excellent. All right, let's find some colors. Now back on the other page, we did purple. What is purple here? And yellow. green? And how about orange? Ah, a little fishy. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. All right, let's watch that video.
Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating some curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
That's silly. All right, has anybody tried to play Little Miss Muffet this week? Had someone be Little Miss Muffet and someone be the spider? Sounds like fun to me. All right, we've already worked on the letter L, F, whoops, E, H, T. We've worked on the letter I, U, C, and O. This week we're working on the letter Q, and next week we start our last letter, which is the letter G. So Q says qu, for queen, quiet, and quarter. Let's take a look at the queen. When I watch this, it makes me want to
Popped over
watch
this wireless battery bank for an
the
unboxing. Let's check this
movie.
thing out and see what we got inside. This thing.
Magic mirror on the wall. Who now is the fairest one of all?
Look at, she just looks evil. Doesn't she just look evil? Let's see if our quiet sound will work. Make you sleepy. Be quiet. All right. Let's sing about where we start our letters. Let's stand up and get ready, because we start them at the top. Where do you start your letters? Letters, start your letters at the top. The top. Where do you start your letters at the top? At the top. Is this? No, it's the bottom. It's the middle. It's the top. The top. Here we go. Ah. Reach out and touch the top. Now we're going down. Reach down. Way down. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top. Bottom. Shake it. go ahead and make the letter Q. We're going to grab our big curve, Magic C, put it on our mat, and then just a little off. Let's grab our other big curve, our other Magic C. There it is. Get it all together. Now let's grab a slide. Put it at the bottom. What letter did we make? That's right, we made the letter Q together. Are you ready? Let's put our fingers at the top. And let's sing it together. Make the letter Q, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter Q and you put a slide at the bottom. All right, let's try it again. Make the letter Q, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. Put a slide at the bottom, and it's the letter Q. What do you think? Do you like the letter Q? Remember, a slide is something you have to turn it enough so that if you sat at the top, you would slide down. We don't want to fall down, just like a slide at the park. Next week, we're going to make the letter G with Mrs. Hill starting on Tuesday. Everyone enjoy their 3-day weekend. Stay safe, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye, everyone.